Shabasi. Be quick. Ziaul Hassan is the loser. Ziaul Hassan ki huwa to Shabas. Chair di kamawai au bal game. Shabas. Well done. Be quick. Kuchudo. Shabas. Hussein Shah, the previous winner. You will have to win it again, once again. Yes, Maaz is out. Yes, Maaz is out. Good. Maaz, you came the MC one of us. Good, Shabas. Shabasi.
Mama la khawale ka. Mama la khawale.
Shabasi. Kursu to gore chudo. Hussein Shah is the loser. The winner of the previous festival is the loser today. Good. Okay, next up. Shabasi. Good. Ibad and Hasham. So now we will have to select Ibad as the loser. Okay, good, Hasham. One participant from grade 10 now. And grade 9, the three of them are present. Only one. Grade 8. Good, grade 8. 3. Yes, two. Two from grade 8 and 2 from grade 9. Azan is going to make history. Well done. Good, Shabasi. Hassan is loser. Shabasi. Hassan lost this competition. Okay, now only 4 participants. Shabasi, good.
Teka, mama na ko ya.
Keep eye on the chair.
Laki.
Eye of an eagle. You have to have an eye of an eagle to win this competition. Just like Azan is eye of an No. Harun. Shabasi. Now, 2 from grade 9 and 1 from grade 10. loser. Ehsan is loser. Yes, Hasham and Azad. It's now between grade 9 and grade 10. Hassan, no, sorry, Azan and Hasham, who will create history. Sir wants to make you whistling. Giddy, giddy. We're not going to start the music unless you feel giddy. I think so. Hasham is feeling giddy. Oh, Azan is the winner and Hasham is actually speaking. Azan is the winner of this competition. Please clap for him. Okay.